Can I paste plain text by default? I regularly copy and paste text between spreadsheets, emails, browser windows, etc. I can't think of a single time when I've wanted to keep the formatting from the source text. I already know about the following workarounds. Use Edit, paste special, unformatted text, paste to Notepad, and copy from there. Install a program that takes over the clipboard. What I want is to tell Windows to just do this by default. Is this possible?
This is a pretty decent compromise, pure text. This may not be a direct answer to what you asked, but this may be of use to someone else with a more general version of your question. There is no way to do this by default, but with a bit of hackery, we can work around that. You will need plain text clipboard. AutoItScript, you can use AutoHotkey, I just don't know that scripting language. Create an AutoItScript with the following code. When you press Ctrl+V, this will run the plaintext clipboard program, then send the contents of your clipboard to the current window. Unfortunately, it will send the contents one character at a time, so it is a bit slow. It's a problem I'm working on, but it should serve as a reasonable start. If there are any AutoHotkey for toy gurus out there, feel free to make your own version of this script. I'll update it as soon as I figure out how to solve the problem.
Unfortunately, no, and I believe this is by design. The issue is that the Windows clipboard does not have to store the data. It is effectively a clearinghouse where any application can list the data that was just copied or cut and offer it up to any application, including itself, to be pasted. The clipboard contains a list of formats in which the data is available, and if the application chooses to do so, the data itself in some of those formats. The application that processes a paste operation then has the option to choose the data format that best suits it. Some applications, e.g. Notepad, will only accept one particular format, such as plain text, and simply do nothing if that format is not available. Others pick a preferred format by default, but provide a UI for choosing among alternatives that can be understood by that application. In principle, a program could be written that monitors the clipboard for new content and flattens any non-text content to just plain text. There is an event available to notify such a monitor of new content on the clipboard. However, I suspect that implementing such a thing would break a fair number of programs, and possibly in surprising ways. The simple workaround in Stock XP is to use Notepad to flatten the data when needed, or to use one of the many tools that improve the clipboard by implementing a stack, providing a view of its content, and so forth. If you want to try building a tool yourself, might benefit from this question over at So, and its related questions.
I can't provide you with a simple solution, but like the others, I will provide you with a workaround. A shortcut to your first option is to use Ctrl+Alt+V to pop up the Paste Special dialog without using the mouse. Typing U to jump to unformatted Unicode text entry, or U to get to the non-Unicode version, and then Enter will do it for you. Not perfect, but built in.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.